Class. Welcome to our Data 10 Summer 2025. This is the last announcement for you. This is about all your grades and your final exam. So, all the courseworks are complete. We had 3 weeks of classes, we had 5 discussions. So, if you click on your grades, you should be able to see all the grades here. We had SimNet class exercises, Word, and Access. That was for 40% of the points. Then we had 5 discussions, each of them 2%, which is 10%. And then we had 3 class exams. First one was on Word, second one was on Excel, the third one was in the Brightspace last week, and that's out of 30%. So what you see now total on your grade book is out of 80, because you have the final exam that's coming up on Wednesday evening at 6 p.m. Make sure you make it at that time. That's for 20%. Okay, so I hope I've explained the grades for you. If you have any questions, please contact me. And the final exam will be held. If you take a look at, go back to the classroom, the final exam details are here. The final exam will be held on 25th of June, which is Wednesday, day after tomorrow, at 6 p.m. Between 6 and 7:50 p.m. Okay, please do not be late, because if you're late, you're going to be losing time. Because the exam will expire at 7:50. Okay, even though it's an asynchronous class, all students are required to take the final exam at the same time. So make sure you are free and you have an access to the computer. You will not be allowed to take the exam on a phone or on a mobile device. Make sure that you are logged into this Zoom meeting. This is the final exam Zoom link. Click onto this and join. I will be taking attendance at 5:55 p.m. between 5:55 and 6, and the exam will be available right here. Okay, you may not be able to see it now, but the exam will be right here. When you click on this final exam tab, the exam will be available right below this at 6 p.m. on that particular day. So you will have to be logged into this link. Otherwise, you can't take the exam, because there is a password for the exam. I will be giving the password only to the students who are logged into the Zoom call. So make sure that you are logged in. I will give you the password when you enter the class and after I take the attendance. Okay. Some of the instructions: make sure that you are taking the exam on a computer. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Make sure you don't open more than 2 or 3 windows, because this is an exam with over 84 questions. Okay. The exam will look something like this. You have 20 true or false questions, 60 multiple choice questions, and 5 out of 10 short questions. Please understand, all short questions should be answered separately in each of the boxes. There are 5 different boxes for each question. Do not answer all the questions in one box. You may not get grade for all the 5. Okay. And please do not answer more than 5. You do not get extra credit for more than 5 questions. Okay, if you answer 6 or 7 thinking you may get extra credit, no, I will grade only the first 5 of them. Okay, this is the pattern of your final exam, and it is 1 hour and 50 minutes. You get only one attempt to do it. Okay, if for any reason you are unable to take this exam on June 25th at 6 p.m., you will be assigned an INC grade, and you can come on campus within the first 10 weeks of the next semester and take the exam on a lab. It will also be an online exam, but you will have to take it in the lab on campus. Okay. To prepare for your final exam, just a few pointers. If you could log into your SimNet, the book is available here. So the exam is going to cover all these 13 chapters and the Word, Excel, and Access that you have learned. Okay, so questions are going to be from both these books, this book and this book, from Word, Excel, and Access. Okay, just some pointers to prepare. If you click on each of the chapters, it gives you revision questions. Here you go. Each chapter has like around 10 different questions for you to revise and prepare for the final exam. For example, if you take the second one or the third one, if you go down, there are 10 multiple choice questions. And if you go back, there are key terms explained here. If you take a look at this, key terms explained, and there are also matching questions. Here you go, matching questions here. So this is how you prepare for your final exam. There are 13 chapters, And each chapter has 10 multiple choice questions, 10 matching questions, and the key phrases explained. So you can use these to prepare for your exam. Some of the short questions can also be from here, open ended. Here again, each chapter will give you 5 to 6 questions that you could use to prepare for your final exam. Please understand, short questions have to be 100 words or more. Do not answer in 1 or 2 or 10 words. At 15 words, you will get only partial points. Okay, so be well prepared for short questions, multiple choice, and true or false questions. Okay. So if you have any other questions, please feel free to email me. The exam is on June 25th, which is day after tomorrow at 6 p.m. Make sure you're available on time, logged into this Zoom meeting. I'll be available much earlier. You can log in, okay? So this is your final exam. Please take a look at all your grades. I have all grades have been updated until so far, okay? The only one missing is your final exam. All class exams, all discussions, all your SimNet, Excel, Word, and Access coursework um, has been graded and submitted for you. And of course, today is the last day of class, and 25th is your exam. All right, everybody. So good luck, everyone. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I'm available to answer any questions. Okay. So see you all on June 25th for the final exam. Good luck, everybody.